Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the picture format on Philips 276B. To do it, simply click on this menu button right here. Now, use the down arrow to go to Picture, click on OK, then click on OK again. You can set the picture format to either widescreen, which is 16:9, or 4:3. Remember that when you set it to 4:3, it's also worth changing the settings in your system to match that picture format, if you want. If you don't, you can leave it as it is. And remember also to approve the change by clicking on OK button. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.